Buying a home can be a challenge, and one of the things that makes it a challenge is that feeling that you just don't know everything, that folks aren't being transparent. Unlike in the financial services industry, where transparency is really heavily regulated, in real estate, sometimes it is a bit cloudy. Got a friend of mine, Ashley Linder from Exit Realty here, with a strong background in transparency to share some thoughts on how home buying or selling can be just a little bit more relaxing. Ashley, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
So you were in that highly regulated industry of financial services with high net worth individuals. Mm-hmm. How have you seen the difference between your career in financial services and your career in real estate in terms of regulatory compliance?
Great question. I would say in the finance industry, you really have to adhere to the regulatory rules and regulations. So it's very strict, it's very tight. So transitioning over to real estate, I noticed that it's a lot of flexibility.
It's a little loosey-goosey sometimes.
Very loose. And, it's just basically finding your path there. And because I've come from an industry where it's so strict, I want to make sure that I do what's best for the client at all times. So just being trustworthy, honest, and very transparent.
So I hear a lot of people say, almost sarcastically, that if you can fog a mirror, you can get a real estate license.
Wow.
How did you find the different statutory requirements to get a real estate license compared to, say, a Series 63 license? Which was tougher?
It's interesting because I actually studied for it online. And some people tell me, hey, really you studied for it online? I was like, yeah, but coming from the finance industry and because we have to take so many different tests, I guess my mindset is already, okay, I'm going to go home, study for 2 hours and do X, Y, and Z. So it wasn't as easy as I anticipated. But I can say getting that 7 and 63 was a lot harder.
A lot harder, yeah. That's kind of where I was going. That's a very high bar to be able to buy and sell stocks and other investment products compared to the bar that we've set for real estate. It's really kind of interesting to me. What have you learned in working with high net worth individuals on the financial services side that you feel is really serving you well to work at luxury properties and high net worth individuals in real estate? Great
question. I would really say that they prepared me for having white glove service. Honestly, you're talking to people who have millions of dollars and they trust you with their money, and you have to make sure that you deliver on your promises. So that has transitioned me as far as real estate to be able to work with those type of clients. And you have to have that confidence, because if you don't have the confidence, then people are like, oh no, I'm not going to trust you with a lifetime decision. And you also have to make sure that you're knowledgeable. So if it's something that you don't know, and that's what I love about Exit, they have so many different training opportunities. Sunny and Ray, they do a phenomenal job there. So just being knowledgeable, and then the team that's behind you, if you do not know something, don't bluff, and that's where real estate agents sometimes get the bad name there. But just be transparent about it and say, you know what, I'm going to find the answer for you and come back with that answer.
Excellent.
Yeah.
You mentioned the white glove service. At HomePro Inspections, we've been fortunate. We've had a tremendous book of business in very large, expensive homes with high net worth individuals. I find that category of client to be among the most kind and appreciative group and among the most demanding. Your stuff has got to be right.
Yes.
Or you're politely dismissed from the room.
Absolutely true. So true on so many levels. They care about the time and they're willing to work with you, but if you're not accurate on your numbers, if you do not know what's going on with the property, finding out those details and being quick and very, responsive whenever they call, then they will drop you.
Yes.
So I have definitely, coming from the finance industry, yeah.
Well, you're an easy person to sit with and feel an instant trust and confidence. For folks who'd like to reach out to you and spend a little time and learn about how you can help them in real estate, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Yeah, absolutely. You can visit my website. It's Ashley, 4, yourhome.com. Ashley, Ashley, 4, yourhome.com.
Great job on that. The 4, don't forget it's a numeral. I want to thank Ashley for being with us. Reach out to her, very, very pleasant lady to sit and have a conversation with. You have a beautiful day.